Tired of the same old kitchen routine and outdated tools? Well, it's time for an upgrade because today we're diving into 20 genius Amazon kitchen gadgets you've probably never seen before. From high-tech slicers and powerful blenders to innovative utensil sets and compact ice cream makers, these tools are designed to save you time, boost efficiency, and make cooking way more fun. Whether you're a passionate home chef or just looking to simplify your kitchen life, these clever gadgets are total game changers. Don't forget to subscribe to Gadget Nest for more smart kitchen finds and honest product reviews. And be sure to check the description below for the latest deals and links to every product featured. Let's jump right in.
Number 1. Hamilton Beach Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Start your mornings right with the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker. In just 5 minutes, you can create 2 hot, fresh breakfast sandwiches at once, perfect for busy families or couples. The PFAS-free non-stick egg rings ensure safe and healthy cooking, while the removable parts make cleanup super easy. Dishwasher-safe components save you time in the kitchen. It features a built-in timer, so your breakfast is cooked to perfection every time without the guesswork. This compact unit's sleek silver finish blends well with any kitchen decor. Whether you're cooking with eggs, cheese, or your favorite meats, this sandwich maker delivers consistent results every time. A must-have gadget for quick, delicious breakfast on the go. Say goodbye to fast food, enjoy homemade sandwiches with healthier ingredients in your own kitchen. Number 2. Ninja Foodi Indoor Grill 5-in-1. The Ninja Foodi Indoor Grill is your all-in-one solution for healthy, flavorful meals. This 5-in-1 unit lets you grill, air fry, roast, bake, and dehydrate, all from one compact appliance. You can cook a 3-pound roast to perfection, while the built-in smoke control system keeps your kitchen fresh and odor-free. With dishwasher-safe parts, cleanup is hassle-free and quick. The black and gray design fits beautifully on any countertop. Whether you're crisping up wings or slow-roasting veggies, this grill does it all with less oil and more flavor. Great for health-conscious cooks who want convenience without sacrificing taste. With even heating and user-friendly controls, this indoor grill ensures delicious results every time. It's powerful, versatile, and perfect for daily use, making it a staple in any modern kitchen. Number 3. Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer. Keep your food fresh for days with the Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer. This space-saving handheld device comes with 3 glass vacuum containers and 30 reusable vacuum bags, perfect for sustainable storage. Seal leftovers, meal prep ingredients, or snacks in seconds, locking in taste and nutrients. The compact design makes it easy to use and store, even in small kitchens. It's great for portioning out meals, minimizing food waste, and reducing the need for single-use plastic. The powerful suction ensures a tight seal every time, extending the shelf life of everything from meats to vegetables. Whether you're storing bulk items or packing lunch, this device gets the job done efficiently. Easy to clean and quiet to operate, it's the ideal solution for families, food preppers, or anyone wanting better food storage at home. Number 4. iVac Home Touchless Vacuum. Make cleaning effortless with the iVac Home Touchless Vacuum. Designed as an automatic dustpan, this 1,000-watt vacuum instantly sucks up dirt, pet hair, and food crumbs. Just sweep debris towards it, and the built-in sensors do the rest. No bending, no dustpan needed. Ideal for pet owners and busy families, this corded unit is ultra-fast and incredibly powerful. The bagless design makes emptying easy and eco-friendly. Just dump the canister when full. Compact enough to fit in any room, the sleek white finish adds a modern look to your kitchen or utility space. Say goodbye to daily sweeping stress. Whether it's after dinner or a pet shedding session, iVac keeps your floors spotless with zero effort. Great for high-traffic areas, it's a must-have for anyone who wants clean floors without lifting a vacuum every day.
Number 5. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Cooker. Experience convenience and versatility with the Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1. This multifunction pressure cooker replaces 7 kitchen appliances: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and food warmer. With its 6-quart stainless steel body, it's large enough for family meals but compact enough for your counter. Save hours in the kitchen, pressure cook a full dinner in minutes, or set it to slow cook for deep flavor. The included app features over 800 recipes, perfect for beginners and foodies alike. Its stainless steel inner pot is easy to clean and built to last. Whether you're meal prepping or cooking a one-pot dish, this Instant Pot delivers consistent, tasty results. It's energy efficient, reliable, and perfect for busy households that want homemade meals fast without the mess of multiple pots and pans. Number 6. Ninja NC301 Creamy Ice Cream Maker. Make dessert time more fun with the Ninja NC301 Creamy Ice Cream Maker. From ice cream and gelato to smoothie bowls and milkshakes, this compact machine does it all. Featuring 7 one-touch programs, it's incredibly easy to use, even for kids. Two included pint containers allow you to prep and store your creations effortlessly. Its sleek silver design fits neatly in small kitchens, taking up minimal counter space. Great for families or anyone who loves a sweet treat, the Creamy lets you customize texture and mix-ins for every recipe. Whether you're using dairy, non-dairy, or fresh fruit, the results are smooth and delicious every time. It's the perfect gift for dessert lovers or parents looking to involve their kids in fun kitchen activities. Simple, versatile, and endlessly creative, this ice cream maker is a total win. Number 7. Tumbler Rolling Knife Sharpener. Keep your blades razor sharp with the Tumbler Rolling Knife Sharpener. This smart tool offers 15 and 20-degree sharpening angles, making it ideal for all types of kitchen knives. Whether you're slicing veggies or carving meat, this sharpener ensures precision cuts every time. Its compact handheld design fits in any drawer and takes up minimal space. The rolling mechanism is easy to use. Just roll your blade through for a sharp edge in seconds. No electricity, no fuss. It's safe for all users, from beginners to professional chefs. Built with durability in mind, it's perfect for frequent use. A sharp knife saves time and effort, reducing the risk of slips or uneven cuts. This tool is affordable, reliable, and a true kitchen essential. Say goodbye to dull knives and hello to fast, clean slicing with every meal. Number 8. Cuisinart Ceramic Cookware Sets. Upgrade your kitchen with the 14-piece Cuisinart Ceramic Cookware Set. Designed for healthy, non-toxic cooking, each pot and pan is free from PFAS, PTFE, PFO, and PFOS. The non-stick surface ensures effortless food release and easy cleanup. Ideal for all stovetops, including induction, this cookware delivers even heat distribution with no hot spots. Perfect for frying, sautéing, and boiling. The handles stay cool for added safety, and the ceramic white finish brings a clean, modern touch to your kitchen. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or a full dinner, this set has the right piece for every task. With its combination of health-conscious materials, user-friendly design, and complete 14-piece variety, the Cuisinart set is a reliable companion for daily cooking. Cook smarter, healthier, and with style. This set truly covers it all.
Number 9. Cuisinart CSB179 Smart Stick Variable Speed Hand Blender. Blend like a pro with the Cuisinart CSB179 Smart Stick Hand Blender. Its sleek stainless steel design is both durable and stylish, offering variable speed control for precise blending every time. Whether you're whipping up smoothies, pureeing soups, or blending sauces, this hand blender does it all with ease. The ergonomic grip makes it comfortable to hold, while the lightweight build reduces hand fatigue during extended use. Detachable parts simplify cleanup. Just rinse or toss them in the dishwasher. The blender also comes with handy attachments like a whisk and chopper, making it even more versatile in the kitchen. From quick breakfast to gourmet dinners, the powerful motor delivers smooth results without lumps. If you want a space-saving, efficient tool that handles a variety of blending tasks, this is a top-tier choice. Number 10. Keurig K-Mini Single-Serve K-Cup Pod Coffee Maker. Start your day right with the Keurig K-Mini Single-Serve Coffee Maker. Designed for small spaces, this compact machine fits perfectly on any countertop, dorm desk, or office cubicle. It brews your favorite coffee in cup sizes ranging from 6 to 12 ounces, giving you control over strength and volume. The built-in cord storage keeps your setup neat and clutter-free, while the sleek, dusty rose color adds charm to your space. Operation is simple, just insert a K-Cup pod and press a button. In minutes, enjoy a fresh, delicious cup of coffee. The removable drip tray accommodates travel mugs and simplifies cleaning. Its small size doesn't sacrifice performance, making it ideal for anyone who values convenience and taste. Whether you're on the go or just tight on space, the K-Mini delivers consistent quality in every cup. Number 11. Food Warming Mat Electric Silicone Tray with 4 temperature settings. Keep your meals warm and ready with the Food Warming Mat by KPTYM. This silicone electric heating tray heats up fast, making it perfect for parties, buffets, or home dinners. With 4 adjustable temperature levels, you can warm everything from appetizers to main courses without overcooking. Raised feet protect your table from heat damage, so you can place it directly on your dining surface. Its roll-up design makes it easy to store or carry on the go. Great for travel, picnics, or tailgating. Lightweight yet powerful, this mat delivers consistent heat distribution across its surface. It's safe, practical, and space-saving. Just plug it in and keep your food at the ideal serving temperature. Whether you're hosting a gathering or want to keep dinner warm, this food warming mat is the smart solution. Number 12. Dalstrong Kitchen Scissors Japanese Stainless Steel Shears. Cut through kitchen tasks effortlessly with Dalstrong's Japanese stainless steel kitchen scissors. Built for performance and precision, these heavy-duty shears are ideal for trimming herbs, slicing pizza, or cutting meat. Their ambidextrous design makes them comfortable for both right and left-handed users. The ultra-sharp stainless steel blades offer durability and clean cuts every time. A detachable design means easy cleaning. Simply separate the blades and wash by hand or in the dishwasher. The ergonomic handles provide a firm grip and reduce hand fatigue even during long prep sessions. These scissors are tough enough for daily use yet light enough to handle with ease.
Whether you're a home cook or a culinary enthusiast, Dowstrong delivers exceptional quality and convenience. Upgrade your kitchen tool set with this versatile and reliable pair of scissors.
Number 13, 1810 stainless steel cooking utensil set with rotating stand. Add functionality and elegance to your kitchen with a 7-piece 1810 stainless steel cooking utensil set. Crafted from premium all-metal materials, these utensils resist rust and wear, ensuring long-term use. Each tool measures 15 inches, perfect for safe, splatter-free cooking. The set includes a spatula, ladle, turner, pasta fork, skimmer, and large spoon, all neatly arranged on a rotating countertop stand. This design not only saves drawer space, but also keeps your utensils organized and within easy reach. The polished silver finish adds a professional look to your kitchen. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned chef, these tools provide both form and function. Dishwasher safe and easy to clean, they're ideal for everyday use. Stylish, durable, and practical, this set is a kitchen essential for cooking with confidence and precision. Number 14, VTop Mart airtight food storage containers with lids, 24-piece set. Organize your pantry like a pro with VTop Mart's 24-piece airtight food storage containers. Made from BPA-free plastic, these containers keep your food safe and fresh. Their airtight seals prevent moisture and air from spoiling your dry goods like cereal, pasta, flour, or sugar. Each container is transparent, making it easy to see what's inside, and comes with its own label for simple identification. The sleek black lids add a modern, cohesive look to your pantry or kitchen shelves. Designed for space saving, they stack nicely to maximize storage. Cleaning is easy, just wash by hand or use the top rack of your dishwasher. Whether you're organizing snacks, baking supplies, or bulk foods, this complete set helps declutter and streamline your kitchen. A must-have for home cooks who love a tidy, efficient cooking space. Number 15, Moeller Pro Series All-in-One Mandoline Slicer. Revolutionize your kitchen prep with the Moeller Pro Series Mandoline Slicer. This all-in-one tool includes 12 ultra-sharp blades for slicing, chopping, grating, and spiralizing vegetables and fruits in seconds. It's perfect for making zoodles, uniform salad cuts, or quick meal prep without the mess. The integrated storage container keeps your countertop clean and organized while you work. Its sleek white sand and gray design complements any kitchen decor. Safe and easy to handle with a stable base and secure grip. Whether you're making salads, stir-fries, or prepping snacks, this slicer saves time and effort. Easy to clean and store when you're done. No more tears with onions or uneven cuts. Versatile, sturdy, and efficient, it's a must-have for any modern home cook. Simplify your slicing game with this all-in-one solution. Number 16, Mueller Ultra Toast Full Stainless Steel Toaster 4-Slice. Enjoy perfect toast every morning with the Mueller Ultra Toast 4-Slice Toaster. Featuring a full stainless steel body, this toaster combines elegance and performance. Its extra-wide slots fit bagels, thick waffles, and artisan bread with ease. Choose from 6 precise browning levels to suit every preference. The LED display keeps your settings clear and easy to adjust. With defrost, reheat, and cancel functions, breakfast is always just the way you like it. The removable crumb tray makes cleanup effortless. Whether you're feeding a busy family or hosting brunch, this toaster delivers convenience and consistency. Durable, sleek, and built for everyday use, this is the upgrade your countertop needs. Compact enough for small kitchens, but powerful enough for big breakfasts. Toast smarter and cleaner with Mueller's reliable performance and modern design.
Number 17, Dash My Mug Ice Cream Maker Machine. Make your own frozen treats anytime with the Dash My Mug Ice Cream Maker. This adorable aqua-colored gadget creates gelato, sorbet, and frozen yogurt right from your kitchen. It includes 2 bowls so you can make different flavors in one go, perfect for families or variety lovers. A built-in ingredient chute lets you add in your favorite toppings like chocolate chips, sprinkles, or fruit as it churns. Cleanup is quick and easy, and its compact size means storage is no problem at all. Whether you're making a fun dessert for kids or satisfying a late-night craving, this machine makes the process fun and fast. The colorful design adds a playful vibe to your countertop, and the results are always delicious. A perfect gift or kitchen upgrade for ice cream lovers. Number 18, Mixing Bowls with Airtight Lids Set 26 Pieces by Yumi Chef. Upgrade your kitchen with the 26-piece stainless steel mixing bowl set from Yumi Chef. With bowl sizes ranging from 1 quart to 7 quart, this set covers everything from baking, mixing, to serving and storing. Each bowl features a non-slip bottom for stability and includes a matching airtight lid to keep food fresh longer. Built-in grater attachments make it easy to shred cheese or slice veggies directly into the bowl. The elegant khaki finish gives your kitchen a modern touch. This all-in-one set is perfect for home cooks who want both function and style. Durable, dishwasher safe, and space saving, it's a game changer for meal prep and storage. Whether you're whipping up pancake batter or storing leftovers, these bowls do it all. One set, endless possibilities for your kitchen. Number 19, Magic Bullet Blender, small, silver one, 11-piece set. The Magic Bullet Blender is your compact powerhouse for blending smoothies, sauces, and dips in seconds. This 11-piece set gives you everything you need for quick, healthy meals and snacks. Its sleek silver design fits perfectly on any countertop, especially in small kitchens. Just load your ingredients, twist and blend, it's that simple. The powerful blades handle fruits, veggies, and even nuts with ease. All parts are dishwasher safe, so cleanup is fast. Whether you're making protein shakes, salsa, or pancake batter, this blender delivers. It's lightweight, easy to use, and perfect for single servings or on-the-go lifestyles. Designed for convenience without sacrificing performance. Ideal for busy mornings or quick meals. This little blender packs a serious punch and earns its spot in every modern kitchen. Number 20, Kitchen Utensil Set, 33 silicone and stainless steel gadgets by Best MZW. Cook like a pro with the 33-piece kitchen utensil set from BST MZW. Designed for non-stick cookware, these silicone and stainless steel tools cover all your cooking needs, from flipping and stirring to serving and ladling. The soft silicone heads are heat-resistant and protect your pots and pans from scratches, while the stainless steel handles provide a comfortable grip and a sleek look. Each utensil is durable, easy to clean, and dishwasher safe. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned chef, this set keeps your kitchen well equipped and organized. Includes spoons, spatulas, tongs, a whisk, everything you need in one package. Say goodbye to mismatched tools and hello to cooking with style and ease. Great value, modern design, and performance you can trust.
Thanks for watching today's top picks from Gadget Nest. If you love discovering cool kitchen gadgets that make life easier, make sure to subscribe and stay updated. All product links and the latest prices are in the description below. Don't miss out. Got a question or want to see a specific gadget reviewed? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay smart, stay inspired, and keep cooking with confidence.